Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2013 Nissan Navara, stock number 7287. It's run from the 5th 2010 to the 8th 2015. It's a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right rear door has a crease, right front door no dents, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory American tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.